Hi, I'm Chef Andrew Hunter with Kikkoman Sales USA. Today we're going to make a roasted mushroom katsu. Traditionally, katsu is made with chicken or pork, but we're going to use roasted mushrooms for a plant-based version. Let's get started by prepping our mushrooms. Here I have some beautiful portabellas that I've stemmed and degilled, as well as some nice meaty king trumpet mushrooms that I've trimmed, halved, and scored with diamond shapes. Preheat an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Blend 3 parts of peanut oil to 1 part of Kikkoman Toasted Sesame oil. Toss the portabellas in the oil blend to coat and season with salt and pepper. Roast the portabellas in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until they're soft and caramelized. For the king trumpet mushrooms, heat a sauté pan over medium heat. Add the oil blend with a little butter. Add smashed garlic and ginger to infuse the flavors for a few seconds. Now add the mushrooms, cut side down, and sear until golden brown. Flip and cook on the other side for a minute or two to finish. Now we'll make the breading. Prepare the tempura batter using Kikkoman tempura mix according to the package instructions. Fill a bowl with panko. Dip the mushrooms in the tempura batter and dredge in the panko, pressing lightly on the mushrooms to make sure the panko sticks. Arrange the mushrooms on a sheet pan and refrigerate until you're ready to fry. I'll show you a quick trick to make the garnish. Here I have a thin chiffonade of Napa or Savoy cabbage. Put the chiffonade in a container filled with ice water and refrigerate covered. The cold cabbage will be a refreshing counterpoint to the crispy hot katsu. Let's get frying. Fry a portobello cap until golden brown and remove it from the oil. Cut the portobellos into strips and fan out on the plate. Arrange the trumpet mushrooms next to the portobello. Serve with rice and garnish the plate with a pinch of shredded cabbage, carrots, and green onions. Season with a drizzle of Kikkoman rice vinegar. Top the rice with the sautéed garlic and ginger from the king trumpet mushroom pan. Drizzle Kikkoman Katsu Sauce over the mushrooms and serve. I hope you enjoy this delicious plant-based version of a traditional katsu.